Hi everyone, today I'd like to talk about the Chinese zodiac, the Chinese animal signs. So I'm sure lots of people have heard about this and asking, which animal it's representing them. So there are 12 animals representing each year with 12 years as a cycle. So in Chinese, we say this Chinese zodiac, 生肖, 生肖. So this system is actually based on the five elements, as we mentioned some time ago. And so each year there's an animal representing that year, and with all the different interactions and compatibilities between the five elements, and come up this system. So I'm going to show you how to write the 12 animals, but here please see the Chinese zodiac. Thank you.